Fluency. Number 1, what is the product? Product of 13 and 2/10 and 6 and 3/10. Remember, product means we're going to multiply. Remember, do I have to line up my decimals when I multiply? Nope. I'm going to put them all to the right. So 13 and 2/10 times 6 and 3/10. All right, in this case, they do line up. Okay, so 3 times 2 is going to be 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 1 is 3. Done with that 3. Put that placeholder of 0. Now let's move on to 6. 6 times 2 is 12. Carry that 1, drop that 2. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 1 is 19. Carry that 1, drop that 9. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Add them up. 6 plus 0 is 6. 9 plus 2 is 11. 9, 10, 11. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 3 is 13. 7 plus 1 is 8. Is that my answer? No, we need to put our decimals back in. So in 1, in 2 total. So we're going to start from our outside and go in 1, in 2. So our answer, I apologize, I did not make these clear yet. Here we go. Okay, perfect. All right, so our answer is going to be 83 and 1600ths. So that's going to be it for that first one. Great job. Ooh, I want to do an oval. Oh, yeah. So cool. All right, next one. Find the difference. Ooh, difference between 98 and 4500ths and 16 and 321,000ths. All right, difference. Remember, difference means we're going to subtract. So let's put our bigger number on top. And we do have to line up our decimals. 98 and 4500ths minus 16 and 32100ths. We can put our placeholder of 0 here. And now let's subtract. 0 minus 1 you cannot do, so that 5 becomes a 4. I'm actually going to move this down a little bit. That 5 becomes a 4. To make that 0 a 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. 4 minus 2 is 2. 4 minus 3 is 1. Drop that decimal. 8 minus 6 is 2. 9 minus 1 is 8. That wasn't too bad. So our answer is going to be 82 and 129,000ths. Perfect. All right, next one. What is the sum? Ooh, sum is adding. So remember, when we do add, we do have to line up our decimals. 12, 9800ths, and 71 and 896,000ths. So I have 12 plus 0 and 9800ths plus 71 and 896,000ths. I am going to put some placeholder zeros here. Also, 12 is 12, and we can also put those placeholder zeros there too. Alrighty, let's add them up. Add them up. 0 plus 0 plus 6 is going to be 6. 9 plus 8 is 17. Drop that 7, carry that 1. 9 plus 1 is going to be 10, plus 8 is 18. Drop that 8, carry that 1. What do I do with that decimal? Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. 2 plus 1 is 3, plus another 1 is 4. And then 7 plus 1 is going to be 8. So our answer, oh my gosh, they're all in the 80s. Isn't that pretty cool? Our answer is going to be 84 and 876,000. Look at that. All of our answers are in the 80s. How super cool. Look at that. 83, 82, 84. Whoa. All right, and that is going to be it for our fluency. Great job.